Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. In this video, we're going to see how to develop website using HTML. As you know, we have seen various important tags used in HTML for developing web pages. For example, we have seen paragraphs, headers, lists in HTML. We have seen how to create a table, how to add images, background images, so on and so forth. Today, we are going to club all these tags together and develop a website. Isn't it interesting? Let's get started. So this is basic template of HTML, as you can see, which is consisting of a head section and a body section. Head section simply consists of a title, and my body is consisting of message, my first website using HTML. So I've already saved it in a folder with the name as homepage.html. So I'll quickly go there and run it. So here is my homepage.html, and here we go. So this is my title. As you can see, my first web page, and this is the message which I have written in my body, right? So now I'll quickly go and give color to my body. I think instead of color, we'll give a background. So the tag used for background is background. The tag used for background image is background, and my image name is sky.jpg, and its location is in the same folder where this file is present. That's why I do have to give the whole path or a different path, right? Since it is this both thing, means the image and the file is present under the same folder. We've already covered relative path and absolute path and how to give it over here, right? So I'll just show you quickly the folder. Here is my home page and here is my image. So these both things are present in the same folder. That's why I've given direct name. And this is my image. Okay, so we will put it as a background. I'll save it and I will again run it. And here we go. We've got a background to our image. Now what I'll do is I will just bring this thing, the sentence over here in the center. Okay, and with a little bigger size. So for that, what I'll have to do is I'll have to write H1. I'll have to give a header tag, for example, H1, and I'll give alignment. So this is an attribute used for positioning of your text. So I'll give it a center because I want it in center. Okay, and I'll close my H1 tag. Right? To quickly control save it, and let's see it how it looks. Here we go. So it has came in center. Now again, I don't want it in the top. I wanted it somewhere in the middle, in the center, right? So what I'll do is I'll just add some break lines over here. What is the tag for that? It is BR. Sorry, yeah. Here. Okay, so I will add it multiple times so that it comes exactly at the center. Let's check it quickly. Yeah, it's looking exactly at the center now. Now what I'll do is I'll add a paragraph consisting of some sort of information about HTML is HyperText Markup Language, and what else we'll write? Today we are developing a website using HTML. Okay, so we'll stop and I'll close my paragraph over here. And let's see how does it looks. Yeah, so okay, my paragraph has shifted towards left. I want it as well in center, as well as the size of this line is very small. So I'll give a header tag to this as well. So let me give it a little header, for example, H4. And again, I'll write over here a line equal to center because I want it in center, right? So center. And I'll close my H4 tag over here. So it looks a little bigger. What happened? H4. And then I will go over here and execute it again. Yeah, here we go. So now it's looking very good, isn't it? Okay, so what I'll do is now I'll add some links at the top. For example, as we have links like home page, we have links for support, then we have links for what to say, videos, Google, etc., etc. So similarly, we'll add some links at the top. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go under body and I'll add links. So how to give links? With the help of anchor tag. And what is a tag for anchor? A href equal to what comes under href, the path of the particular file which you want to refer to or you want to link. So I will link the same page. Okay. And which we've created, and I'll write here home. And I'll quickly close this anchor tag and let's see how does it look. So here it is, home. And if I click on this home, it is pointing to the same page. The same page is getting loaded again and again. Okay. Okay, so I will add 2 to 3 tags more like this. For example, I'll add another tag like index. And I'll give the name as index. Then I'll add another tag, for example, Google. We'll give a link for Google. So what is the link for Google? It is, I guess, https://www.google.com. Okay, and I'll write over here Google. Then we will give more 2 to 3 tags. For example, we'll give videos, link for our videos, and we'll give the link of our videos over here. So how we'll simply copy the link of our videos and we'll put it over here, right? Okay, then again, finally, I'll give a link to support, which will open, a mail box, a mail simply, which will have your mail ID. So but that, how we give mail to, for example, help desk, in case if something is not right or you're not getting on the website, then you can ask help desk to help you, right? So gmail.com, and then I'll save it and let's see how does it look. Here we go. Index, Google, video, support. So for example, if I click on home, it will point over here. If I click on index, it will point on an index page, which I have already created. I'll show you. If I'll point to Google, it will point to Google. Oh my God, something has went wrong. Maybe I have given wrong link of Google. Let me check once. Google, and it is https:// no, it's correct. Then what happened? Let me check what was wrong by replacing this link with what we have. Maybe the slash. No, another slash. Then, yeah, www dot not comma. Okay, now let's see. Now it will get loaded. Sorry, from here. If I'll go to Google, yeah, here we go. Right? Then similarly, if I click on videos, it will point to the videos. If I'll put to support, it will open a mailbox, right? So this is the links. Now, what we have seen that it is opening in the same page. I just want the home page in the same page, but this all other links, I want it to open in the new page, in the new tab, in short. So what we have to do is we have to add target over here. Isn't it? Do you remember? Target. This will open up your page in a new tab instead of in the same tab, right? So how we give it? Blank. So I'll just simply copy this and add it everywhere over here as well, because I want everything in new tab instead of the same. So let's see how does it looks. If I refresh it, here we go. It has opened in the new tab, Google, new, videos, new, then support. It will open the mailbox. It's no tab. Okay. So if you don't give it over here for the support, it's all right, because anyhow it's opening the mailbox, so no need to give over here. Okay. So this is how it is looking. Now what I want to do is, if I see in my browser, it is on the right hand side. Sorry, it's on the left hand side, and I want it on the right hand side over here somewhere. So what I have to do is I have to also align this right to right hand side, and as well as I want to increase its size. So what I'll do is, similarly like this, we'll add a header tag over here. So I'll add H3 for example, and I'll give alignment as right. Okay, and I'll close this header over here because I want everything in right? I'm going to close it over here. And then let's see how does it looks. Yeah, here we go. Wow, it's looking quite good now. Okay, but still there's some problem. Now this has shifted a little down. So I'll remove one or two break lines, and I'll give space in between all these links, right? Because it's very close to each other. So let's see how to give that. How to give a space. Do you remember what we do? Ampersand NBSC. This is used for giving space in HTML, right? So let's give space in between every link. Okay, and then again, what we have seen is it has shifted to little below, right? So I'll remove some break tab, and I'll give some break tag over here because it's very top. So I'll give one over here. So let's see. Yeah, here we go. Wow, now it's looking a little good, right? Here is my main content in the center, and my links at the very top right side with space in between, right? So if I click on home, it will open the same page. If I click on index, it will go to the another page. If I click on Google, it will open Google, and so on.